Hello, everybody. Good morning. Happy Monday. All right, guys. Welcome to the channel. Those who are new to the channel, OnePunch Algo channel is a stock trading channel. We use our own buy sell signal indicators called OnePunch Algo plugin. You can go to onepunchalgo.com to get the algo. Every morning we try to do it 7:45, but today it took some time for me to set it up. Every morning we check all the pre-market moving stocks. Right now we have 18 stocks in my scanner, and what we do, we check their float, share outstanding volume, pre-market volume, and any news. And I do provide the links to the news in our chat section. Plus I put it in my feed. In the video you can see scrolling text messages going on in the video. So the next thing we do, we check for the we filter it out for the best stock that can go in the intraday, a couple of best stocks actually, and then um, I do add it to my watch list once I filter it out, and we create the support and resistance levels. Hey guys, welcome. Good morning. I see 3 guys today. Sorry for the delay. Alright, I see JE, DPW, IMRN already moved 100%. DPW is actually a good stock. I have traded it a couple of times in the past. Alright, let's dig in and research some information about these stocks. JE. Normally I would like to check all the news in the bar chart account. July 17, Friday, 4 p.m. So last week there is some news for JE. Johnson announced receipt of interim order. So I'm gonna open it in a new tab. Plus I'm gonna Google some more news because I think there might be some. Couldn't find 1 hour news for JE, just energy, but let's see. No, I don't see news in Google, so I think this is only the news that they have, and this is why it is moving up today. So JE, they do have more than 150 million outstanding shares, 85 million float. Pre-market volume is around 3.19 million. If you read the information, let me share the PR with you guys as well. So this is a Canadian company. Only problem I don't like about the company is they have more than 100 million outstanding shares. and the DNR is giving up the highest. It has moved up from 22 cents to 65 cents, and then now it's moving down. Sorry, I have to use 30-minute chart. Alright, actually let's use 15 minutes. DPW and DNR. Okay, DNR now went back to fourth because there's a big drop here. Yeah, that's right. The DNR does have 500 million outstanding shares. That's a big number. So let me filter this further. We are only going to check stuff below 100 million just to find out the news. However, if I am going to trade, I'm trading anything less than 20 million with good news. 20 million outstanding shares with good news. Alright, so DPW, I see 6 million outstanding shares, so that's actually good. And IMRN, it's also moving up, so with 4.4 million outstanding shares, so that's pretty good too. Let's go ahead and check DPW. No news in bar chart. Let's check Google for the last 1 hour. No, don't see any news for the past 24 hours, so this could be for the past week maybe. They do have on July 14 and July 16. I don't think this could be the news that drove this up 120%. Let me double check. Oh, there you go. DPW Holdings introduced electric vehicle charger product line. That's something to think about. Yep. So that's the news actually. Alright, so I'm gonna share the link with you guys. And I'm going to add this news into my feed. Alright, so I think this is actually a good news. Alright, so DPW is right now at 477 with outstanding shares, 6 million outstanding shares and 5 million float. Let's mark the support and resistance levels for this stock. Normally I like to check year to date first. As you guys can see, I have set it up previously, support and resistance, but let me double check and change this now. So 10, the stock did split in 2019, I remember about that, and they did it twice. All right, let's mark the resistance level with green and the support level with blue color. Good morning for new visitors. How are you guys today? So this yellow line, we could take it as a support position. Alright, so now I have a couple of support and resistance levels just in case. Hey, good morning, Vix. Just in case. Hey, Christian. Sorry, not Christian. I have a colleague called Christian, so just complete. How is your friend actually, Chris? Is he or she using the plugin right? 320, do I see some resistance? Yeah, kind of. That's actually, since it is 448 now, let's make them support. There's one more at 421. That could be something. Alright, we have a lot of support levels. Yep, that's great. Alright. So the stock highest previously, there is a resistance level at 545. The stock is trading at 490. There are two hard selling indicators, this point and here. But if you check with 5 minutes or 1 minute, maybe the things will look different. So right now we are in a momentum strategy for the OnePunch Algo. So you guys can see, actually, if William is here, he did ask for the documentation. So I did add the documentation page in my OnePunch Algo website, and you guys can download the PDF. I did added the momentum buy indicator and momentum sell indicator information here. You guys can go here to, for the website, and in the menu you guys can download the documentation. So in this case, the momentums, let's see, I will mark the momentum with green color arrow and the resistance, the selling point with red color arrow. So that's one. This is for 5-minute chart. Okay, this is the momentum here again. Here you could say to sell, buy, sell, and then buy here and I don't see any sales yet. So these are the points when the OnePunch algo is activated for momentum stock. So in this point you buy, and as soon as you see the red one you sell, and again a yellow candle formation you buy, soon as you see a red one you sell. So that's what the momentum activation for the OnePunch algo. Alright, so it's moving up. I think this is one of the good stock for me to trade today. Let's check for the other stuff as well. IMRN. They do have 4.4 million outstanding shares. Alright, let's go ahead for the bar chart. Wait, did I forget to share the information with you guys? Yeah, I always forget it. Alright, let's see. 30 minutes, now 3 minutes. Right here. Now you have two resistance levels for the top and then a couple of supports. So I'm gonna share this with you guys. DPW support and resistance screenshot, so you guys can copy the same. Going back to the 15-minute chart, and then I'm actually gonna take this down. It's not gonna work for 15 minutes. Alright, so IMRN Monday 5 AM they have some news. Okay. Development of a new oral therapeutic targeting Campylobacter. Two human phase 2 clinical trial to be conducted in 2021. Alright, so this is just a FDA guidance. Maybe the phase 1. Was it? So June 9 they requested a meeting with the FDA. So you guys can see under the more news section. Oh, this is actually for a different infection, acute infectious diarrhea. I see. So this is an Australian company. Seems like forward-looking statement. I kind of feel like this might go down, even though the outstanding shares volume is 4 million. That's the only thing it could go up, but it's already up 91% and it's $12 already. So be careful with this stock. This is, I don't see any other news for this stock other than the FDA giving guidelines. Yeah, so careful with that. I am actually not going to trade it. At this point, this is the hard sale at 7 p.m. AM, sorry, not PM. Since then it's actually moving down. It went to 1567 at 7 o'clock, so that's a big jump. IMRN, no, I'm not going to trade it. You guys can see pre-market volume already at 5 million for the DPW stock, and IMRN is 791,000. AIKI, let's check. So I'm going to delete this. AIKI, let's check with bar chart. Hey guys, those who are watching the video, please like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. July 9 is the last PR that is shown in the bar chart. So let's check Google. I like to first check past hour. If there's no information, then past 24 hours. No. How about past week? The Monday or Friday, they might have some information. No? Let's free flow this stock. Wow, they don't have anything. But it's up. How much? Actually 35, so that's not actually a big amount. Alright, so 34 million outstanding shares for AIKI. And the next stock is STAF with 9 million outstanding shares, so that's a good one. Let's see what's going on with it. July 16, they have news. Let's see for something new. No. What about 1 hour? Staffing company, right? Yep. I don't see any news though. There's a big selling point or the selling indicator at this point under 15-minute chart. So hey Chris and others, do you guys see the chart properly or the video properly? I try to change some of the settings to make it more HD. Let me double check from my side too. So I do have the option for 720 HD. If you check that, you guys might be able to see it clearly. If not, I need to find out a way to get 1080p. Alright, going back to the channel. Staff, I couldn't find any news though. Not even in the feed they have any news. So the best place to find news for this kind of stuff is gonna be StockWith. So I'm gonna check with StockWith to see if they know something. No, not that one. Stuff. It's a press release, is that the one? Yeah, there's a press release. 16. This is in Thursday, right? Yeah, nothing. Alright, not gonna trade this stock. Let's check VOLT, Volt Information Science. Up 25% pre-market with 21 million outstanding shares and 12 million share float. Pre-market volume is 426,000, so that's not that much. But let's see if we can find any news. July 15 is the last time they had a press release. Let's double check with Google. Right now, if you go to tools and then anytime check past hour to see if they have any news. That's a general meeting, is that right? Yeah, see. No, I don't have any news either. SONN 9 million outstanding shares, that's actually not bad. If we can find some news. No. Past hour, no. Past 24 hours, no. DGLY, this is a stock that went up for 30, already picking up from 340. Now it's already $4, so, and it did touch 430, right? Yeah, let's just in case check for any news. So far DPW is the only one that I see some light. Digital Alley received significant order for its new safety product. Alright, they do have some news. I think they are activating a momentum buy. Let's check with 5 minutes. Not really. So it went down since the sell indicator comes up at 4:15, so it's down for 4. But the news talks about a new order. So let me share the release. DGLY is the news. No. Well, 500 units. So if it is around 3,000, how much would that be? 1.5 million. So the market cap is 90 million. Earning per share, let's see how much. minus 74 cents. Alright, not significant news. So moving forward, I think I should have marked these, label this out. If not, I don't see anything new popping up. NOVN. No news in bar chart. Let's go again to Google. No. Yeah. OGEN. I don't see anything good. BNGO. 83 million outstanding shares. So alright. So DPW. I think this is the only stock I'm gonna watch for today. Try to make the $1,000 per day mark. How was your last week, guys? How was the weekend? Did you guys able to make the targeted percentage of the income actually? And I'm asking a lot of questions. Um, any of you guys check the 3% per week strategy that I posted a couple of, actually at the beginning of the videos? If you go to my YouTube channel, the first one, I think you guys gonna see. Well, actually you have to check how to turn profit 3% profit per week into 365 profit within a year. This video. Alright, so DPW, let's go back to 15-minute chart. So entry levels, if it touch 419, I'm going to enter. This is with 15 minutes, so at about 9 o'clock, I'm going to see if I can enter the stock with 5-minute candlestick chart. If it touch 419 and bounce back, then that's gonna actually move the stock further up. If not, if it pass down and get a red here, it will still touch the 344 and then bounce back. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, just focus on the target. Have some self-discipline, and then if you practice it, it will actually make you more money at the end of the year. If you can always make profit, doesn't matter how much, but if you can keep on making profit instead of losses, then if you reinvest the profit, actually it's going to compound. That's the whole strategy. Compound interest, it's actually the Albert Einstein says it's the 8th wonder in the world. Right? And here it says compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. he who doesn't pays it. It's actually true, you know. For 75, let's see if any other stocks popped up in my scanner. I like the settings of IMRN with less than 4 million outstanding shares, but the news is not actually good. And then the staff also has less than 9 million outstanding shares, sorry, 10 million outstanding shares, but not enough news to trade it. And the next one I see SONN, and it's actually moving down. So DPW still. Once again, for those who are new, wait, what happened to my OnePunch Algo site? Alright, for those who are new, OnePunch Algo is a plugin, goes with TradingView. It indicates buy and sell signals and some advanced techniques. And you guys can see the documentations and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be keep on posting these advanced strategies that involves the plugin. And the documentations I will be updating as soon as I get more and more information about the strategies. And for now, I have provided the basics: buy signal and sell signals. Actually, two buy and sell signals, and then the momentum indicator. This is what we are actually doing in the morning sessions, trying to make money using the momentum buy indicators. We get in as soon as we find the stock that we filtered starting to move up with 1 minute or 5 minute momentum trading or the momentum movement, and then we sell at as soon as we see a sell indicator under the momentum movement. Alright, so DPW under 15 minutes I see a hard sell at 7:15 and again at 8 o'clock. So since the hard sell at 8 o'clock, it's moving down. So if it touch 419, that's where the support is. So we are going to jump in. I am going to jump in at 419. If I see a a green candlestick formation upwards, and then that's where we are going to jump in. So it has to touch the line and then move up, and that point I'm getting in. If just in case there's a red candlestick formation and breaks the support line, then I'm waiting for the next entry where is at 343. So these are the points where we are jumping in and out. I'm going to use OnePunch Algo plugin to make the decisions for me. If you check 5 minutes, this is where the momentum buy starts, and this is where the momentum sell. And again, this is a momentum buy here, and then a momentum sell here. So the way this works actually. Alright, so the levels, you are talking about the resistance and the support levels? Yeah, so first of all, I would like to check year-to-date resistance and support levels. If I don't see any kind of resistance and support levels, then I go to 1 year. So based on those information, I check the resistance and support levels. You guys can also check it. Let me share my screen with you, and then if you want, you can copy it. Right, so since the hard sell indicator at this point, it's going down. So this is actually 15 minutes. Normally I like to check 15 minutes to do the trades. To follow the trend. And for the trades, I use 5 minute and 1 minute. So the way it works, I'm gonna open 3 charts. First chart I will have 15, and the second chart I will have 5, and the third chart I will have 1 minute. You can do that, or maybe I can pick something different so it's much nicer. Alright, so this is 5, this is 1, and this is 15. Once again, for all the new viewers, I'm the person who created the OnePunch Algo indicator. I'm actually a full stack developer. I'm doing this for more than 8 years now. OnePunch Algo actually gives you buy sell indicators, and this is actually a third wheel for your decisions. You guys can check it, and you can check the past information as well, past points where it went down. So for an example, in this case at June 30, as soon as you see a hard sell at 11:45, it kept on going down. Guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Let's check the other pre-market movers to see if there is any kind of new information. IMRN, we didn't like it so much because I couldn't find any news there. DPW share float is actually really good, and already there is more than 7 million volume, so this is going to be a great day for day traders. And I see some positive trend reversals here. I want to see at 9 a.m. what will happen with the Robinhood activation for buy sale. At 9 o'clock, I'm going to buy sell based on 5 minute chart. just to pick some scraps like 2-3% profit there if it starts to move up. Let me take these down. Alright, moving up. All the new guys, you can go to OnePunch Algo website and download the documentations if you guys want to learn more about the plugin. It talks about how the indicators works and then also the momentum indicators, which we are doing right now, waiting for a momentum buy with either 5 or 1 minute chart. Alright, I have set up my account with limits. So let's see, at 9 o'clock. Again, the news, if you guys missed, yep, so they are in the business for electric vehicle chargers, which said to be 27 billion by 2027. Alright, so that's the momentum indicator for the 5 minute. But it did not pick up there, so the current session I see a red, and the volume is also moving up to be red right now. So if you had it, I would sell it at that point and keep that percentage 5% if you see the halfway. I'm not going to buy until 9 o'clock or make a decision until 9 o'clock and 9:30 after that. I do scan these using the scanners provided by the TradingView. Hey William, good morning guys. Like I said, you can scan these using the scanners provided by the TradingView software. I have the link below for the TradingView software. I'm going to create a scanner news for you guys, actually a video for you guys. I do have a couple of scanners: intraday moving average scanners, EMA crossing scanner, and then OnePunch day trading scanner, and the post market scanner together with the pre-market scanner. I will have separate videos for all these stocks. I also have a scanner for breaking out stocks for the next week. So we'll do a couple of videos. Please subscribe guys, like my video, subscribe, so I'm getting motivated to do more and more in the future. Alright, so the volume is picking up for the 1 minute and 5 minute. Williams, like you asked, I did add the documentations into OnePunch Algo website. If you go to the channel for the website, actually, in the menu you can see the documentation. Alright, 6 more minutes. The volume is actually picking up heavy here. Hey Jean. Nothing much, actually. We are checking DPW right now. They do have a couple of actually good news. I did share the article. You guys can read it at your own time. So again, I will share the link to the article. I do have the information in the feed in the text as well. or the headline. CPIX actually came into my scanner, 22% up. I don't see enough volume though. 50 million outstanding shares. Not bad if they have news. We still have 3 more minutes. Let me check for news. Oh, sorry, wrong click. Okay, they do have a PR 22 minutes ago, so let's find the news and let me share it with you guys. Alright, so CPIX is the news. I will research more about this stock after 9:05 or 9:10. I want to check some information about CDW and do some trading at 9 o'clock. Level 1. Yeah, 50-minute I see a hard sell at 420. So if you are a back holder or in this stock, that's where you have to make a decision. Alright, going back to the DPW. Let's see. Once again, guys, kindly remember for likes and subscribes. It motivates me more to do this every day. Alright, 8:55. I see a lot of selling going on. One more minute. Actually 10 seconds for 9 o'clock. If you guys hang around, do check my videos at evening because I might do a day trade video for DPW today. I see a good opportunity for swing trading the entire day. Alright, 9 o'clock. Let's see. 1 minute is moving up. But I don't see a momentum, so I'm not going to jump in yet. I want to see a momentum moment. Yeah, 15-minute chart, I am seeing some hard sell indicators forming up right now. So here is the 50-minute indicator for hard sell, and 5-minute also seeing a trend reversal. So Robinhood maybe they're taking the profit out, that's fine. It's actually good. I like to see it touch 419. The setup is actually good right now. Not to buy yet, but to buy once it is down. So again guys, if you don't have OnePunch algo, it will look like this, right? Just bunch of green and red candles. But with OnePunch algo, that's how it looks like. You guys are welcome to have the OnePunch algo. I'm actually giving it away for 60 days free trial. You can test it for 60 days. I'm doing that because of the coronavirus, and we went public on June 25th. Since then, I'm giving it away for free for trial testing. We do have more than 80 members who are using it right now, and the feedback is positive. I know a couple of guys who are watching this right now is actually using OnePunch algo, right? Right guys, what do you guys think? No sir, so I'm not buying yet. I'm waiting for the one actually it to touch the support level. So as soon as it touches the support level at 419, I am going to buy in. If it touch and moved up with the green candle, then that's my cue to buy. So it has to touch this level here, and then it start to move up a little bit. So yes, I have some demos with the algo. Please go to my channel and check those demos. I did do a couple of videos around it, and you guys can check it and learn it how to use it. Thank you, William. In the past, I have traded DPW many times, and I have made a lot of money with DPW. Okay, so the levels, these are support and resistance levels based on the previous movements. So if you check 1 year or year to date, well, I have to go back to, let me share that information as well. I will do some videos around that as well on how to pick support and resist levels to the point. If I check year to date, so normally if it touch a certain point couple of times, that's actually going to be the resistance levels upwards, right? And if it touch the bottom couple of times, that's going to be the support level. So based on those information, that's where we draw the lines. So using support and resistance levels actually helps you a lot to understand where the people are actually thinking, all right, this might move up, so this is going to be the support level, all right, and then if it touch that green lines, then people think, okay, this is too much, it has went up a lot. SRNE, do they have any news? 24% up. Let's take 15 minutes. So DPW at the moment, I don't see any movements up until 9:30. I'm going to jump back. I was trying to trade at 9 o'clock with Robin Hooders, but I see they are selling it right now. So SRNE, let's go ahead and check news and activate 5-minute chart, because I kind of feel like there's a momentum moving up. No, how about 1 minute? Yeah, so 1 minute actually there is momentum. So as soon as you see yellow color, you buy, and as soon as you see a red outline yellow candlestick, you sell. So again, if you see a yellow one with green outline, you buy in. So this point is a good one if the news is good, but I don't know. Let's see. 3 minutes ago, FDA clears phase 2 safety efficiency. Alright, so there's news for the stock. This is actually good. Just came in FD clearance. Let me share the news with you guys. Yes, the one. Thank you for letting us know about SRNE. So I'm buying in right now for quick changes. Let's mark the support and resistance levels as soon as possible so you guys can actually make decisions based on those information. 874, 990, there's one here, right? 939. Wow, it has went up in 2016 though. That's fine. I only go to like 2018 if I couldn't find anything between 2019 and 20. And let's mark the support levels. 6. So again guys, they do have news, good news, FDA approved for phase 2, and because of that you guys can make some money, not a lot, but it will go down again. People will take the profit. So going back to 1 minute, right? So I put it order at 880, so that's my selling queue. All right, 949. All right, actually it went up, so I see the volume is picking up, so I'm not going to sell until I see a red volume indicator or the OnePunch algo indicates a sell here. It's moving up still. So alright, I want to see another green candle formation and then I will jump in. The next one, if it is a green, then again I will buy. So right now I sold it. You see, as soon as I sold it, it's going down. I actually only able to get 2.7% profit there, but it's okay. So that's a hard sell indicator, so it's moving down a little. Again, if I see a yellow candlestick with green outline, then that's my cue to buy again. Let's check. Yeah, that's the cue to buy. $885. Oh, that's turned into a red one. So for some, I saw for 880 because the thing is not actually moving up. 5 cents loss there. So that's how it works actually. So you have to take the decision fast based on the OnePunch algo software, so you are not losing a lot. Now since it is two red candlesticks there, I'm waiting for a green candlestick to form and another green candlestick to start, and that way I know it's going to move up or a trend reversal. Right now it's actually bearish for this stock. Guys, please subscribe if you are new. Please like this channel, like the video if you actually like it. There's a support level at 854. Let's see if it is going to touch that point. I forgot to check the outstanding share volume. Let's see. Oh man, they had 200 million outstanding shares. That's why. That's why it didn't went up as much as we thought, right? So actually, I'm gonna remove it from my list because they do have 200 million outstanding shares. I don't really like to trade stocks with news and then outstanding shares more than 30 million. Right, so going back to 5 minute chart shows a hard sell here, but it could move up as soon as it touched that 854 support level. You guys can watch, but I'm gonna go ahead and check DPW. DPW, we talk about this at 9 o'clock. Since then it has moved a little, actually 6% movement for DPW. DPW, so here's the deal. Let me go back to my charts. Right, so at the market open, if it touch 419 and then form a green candle, then that's my point to buy. That's the entry level, right? So it has to touch this 419 support level and then bounce back, and then I will buy. And as soon as 544 hit, because that's the resistance level for previous resistance level, but if you mark a resistance level for today, let's mark it here because that's where I touched a couple of times. I will be cautious. If it passed that 2 points and go up, then that's fine. I'm going to hold it until it keep on going up, right? If not, if it start to give me a red candlestick after touching any of these 2 points at 514 or 545, then that's it. I'm gonna sell. Again, if nothing happened like that, if the market open, people start to sell, panic sell or something like that, or take profit and then break down the support level at 419, then I'm waiting for it to touch 343. That's my entry level for the next support level. And that's if things moved down, right? But what about if things moved up? Right, so for me to jump in, if things moved up, then it needs to break this level 545. Then I do have an option to make profit up until 656. So it needs to break 545. There are two scenarios where you guys can make money. Either it touch the support levels, one of the support levels bottom, and then bounce back, or if it breaks out the resistance levels. There are a couple of resistance levels. It needs to break out this area, it needs to break out this area. Then those are the points where we buy in. After it breaks out 6456, I think I didn't do any support or resistance level charting for that. Let me see. No, it does actually have a resistance at $10, $10.48. So it could break out up until, actually there's one at 790. So let me mark that as well. All right, let's mark it with green. So do you guys need this? You guys can copy what I have here if you're using support and resistance level with OnePunch Algo. Here is my screenshot for support and resistance levels. Let's see what happened to SRNE. We still have 40 minutes, so it moved down. So you guys can see what I mentioned, right? It touched that support level at 617. Now it's moving up. That's why this is important to create support levels. So it touched this 617, and there is a formation of oh sorry, this is actually 1 day. My bad. Let's go back to 15 minutes. Still shows a selling point. You guys can do the support and resistance level for 1 day as well. This is, then you guys can find out breaking out stocks, that way you can buy a stock even before it's gonna break out. Right now it's going to move down further. I actually made some money when it went up from 874 and I sold the first red candlestick. Since I sold, you guys can see how much it went down. That's the importance of OnePunch Algo. It went down 7% down, and then I lost like 5 cents trying to trade here. Let's go back to DPW. We still have 10 more minutes. I'm gonna close my streaming at 9:20, actually 9:30. And if you guys have any other questions, please ask. So all the new guys, please subscribe and like our videos, and do check other videos as well. There are a couple of demos and educational videos about OnePunch Algo, how to use it, and I do have the documentations in my site onepunchalgo.com. You can go there and download the PDF which talks about the algo and how it works, and all the buy and sell signals, not all the, but the basics, and sell signals, and then the momentum buy and sell signals. You're welcome. 9 more minutes. Any other questions, guys? IBIO. Alright, there's a momentum moment. For 15 minutes though, let's see 5. No. 1. There was a small momentum from 481 till 495. So let's see if they have any news. That's not IBIO, right? That's something else. Yeah, let's check Google. Alright, I like to check 1 hour first. So they talk about the vaccine, and as a major catalyst it could go up. So the reason it's moving up because of the vaccine and COVID vaccine. Not a bad stock to buy and hold. I would suggest you guys to use the support and resistance level, because right now it has broken all the support and resistance levels previously it held. So you guys need to recreate those levels again. So as I can see, 517 is today's high was 526, so it could touch there and go down, and then a bounce back will happen at 446. Let's check how many outstanding shares they have. 190 million outstanding shares, which is actually a lot, but the vaccine could play in the future. They announced they had a vaccine that actually can kill corona, and not kill corona, actually save people from corona. Then this could move up to 10 or 15 or 20 easily. You guys can see previously I had a couple of trades with this and support and resistance levels. Right, so there you go. I like this stock just because of it's a corona play. So DPW, my strategy, I'm waiting until it touched 419 and moved up. Awesome. You know what, you could trade that stock based on 4-hour chart and support and resistance levels. If you are holding it, then hold 50% and then do trading with the other 50% using support and resistance levels. That way you can keep on making more money and then compound it and keep collecting more stocks. It doesn't have to sell everything you have to just do day trades. You can still hold 50% of your stocks, you know. So again, my entry points, if it touch 419 and bounce upwards with the green candlestick, then that's my entry. But as soon as I see a red candlestick formation, then I'm gonna sell it. Yep. And then the other movement, if it opens up and starts to move up and break up 545, then I would get in at like 550 or 555 based on the volume, and then I will let OnePunch Algo decide when to sell after it breaks out. But I know it could touch 7 if it breaks 545. Alright guys, so it's 3 more minutes. I do see the last 50 minutes moving down. That's actually good because the open might have some sales and then drop for 419, and then we can pick it up from there. I hope you guys make a lot of money today, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 7:45 a.m. Eastern time, and I will do the same thing. I will scan for stocks that are moving up. I will check news, and then I filter those with the float and the shares outstanding, and then do the resistance and support levels. Thank you guys for visiting today. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please like these videos if you actually like what we just discussed. Alright guys, have fun. Bye.